Tonight we're drawing one of the gentle giants known as Isisaurus. She is a sauropod dinosaur, and I really wanted to plan this at a proper time and a good time. What better way to do that than here? One of the features about Isisaurus is that she has a very thick neck. And she has a gentle nature. Yeah, that's what she has. Hopefully I'll get to see that. I hope I get to see this dinosaur on one of the dinosaur documentaries. I've only seen this titanosaur once. And I hope I get to see her again. Okay then, next thing I gotta do is well, first of all, I've already drawn the tail. Now let's draw this part here. This is the upper half. There. That's the tail. And there. That is how you draw Isisaurus. There we go. Wow, it only took me 2 minutes.